Want to learn an easy way to promote affiliate products on YouTube? Watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to talk about an easy way that you can promote and make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. But before I get into that, if you're serious about starting your own online business and making a passive income, you want to check out Builderall and Genusity. Both of these companies I'm with, and that's what I'm doing. Alright, so you can do the same thing if you want. Alright, anyway, guys, when it comes to affiliate marketing, which is one of the most powerful ways to make money online, it's one of the most profitable ways that people are making money online. A lot of people, they look at YouTube, right? But the problem is, a lot of people, they're scared of YouTube. They're like, well, I know I can promote, affiliate products on YouTube, but I don't know how. I don't want to be on camera. I don't even have any equipment. I don't even have no location to shoot. I don't have time, whatever. It's all these excuses, but who's blowing the horn? But you should know that none of those excuses are legit, especially this day and age. And I want to talk about a software that I just came across that I saw, and I'm like, wow, this is interesting, right? This can really help out a lot of people who want to do video marketing, but they just, they don't really want to go through the hassle of creating, editing all these videos, and they don't want to be on camera. So I seen this software called Link2Vid. And basically what it does, it allows anyone to take an article, a blog post, or just a keyword, and it actually creates a video for you in the software that you can actually just upload from the software, or you can download it on your computer, then you can upload it to YouTube or even Facebook if you want to, right? And I just thought that was really, really cool and convenient for those who jumping into affiliate marketing. They want to kind of get stuff going, but they just don't understand, video marketing, or they just, are afraid of it, afraid of YouTube, right? Because like I tell everybody, and when it comes to marketing, like, you need to be on YouTube. I don't care if you're a internet entrepreneur, if you're an offline business, you need to be on YouTube, period. Just, it's just the potential of it, just the potential alone. It's just worth, you putting that effort in. So, Link2Vid, guys, imagine if you're, like I said, you don't want to be on camera or anything like that. You can literally go online, find an article related to your niche, related to your affiliate product. Find an article, and you can actually put it in the software, and it will actually generate a video for you. All right. It's that simple. Now, with this software, they do have a couple little upgrades, but nothing too expensive. I think the basic software, I believe, is like 17, 18 bucks. And I think they have an upgrade that will be for 37 bucks. But I would just get started with the $17, $18, software. See what you can do with that, and that should get you started, at least promoting your products. And at that point, you have no excuse not to be on YouTube. Now, obviously, when it comes to affiliate marketing, make sure, you're doing your keyword research and all of that stuff, and you should be good to go. This software, in my opinion, would be great for, doing product reviews. Anytime you do a product review, that's your best chance of getting a lot of reviews, a lot of visitors, and a lot of traffic on a regular basis when you're doing review videos. So, if you get this software, you literally can get all these course reviews if you want, articles and stuff that other, people said or people wrote. Create a video on that. And you can add your own little tweak here and there if you want. But now you got all these reviews that you can put on YouTube in video format. Alright? And not only can you, get an article or a blog post from the internet, you can write your own article, right? And then have it turned into a video. So I think this is really cool too, because you necessarily don't even have to be an expert in certain niches. Like, for example, I always talk about dog training and stuff, and like when I write books and stuff like that. But like, I can literally, have a YouTube channel about dog training, get a couple products I want to promote. Then I could go online and just find different blog posts and articles, maybe spin them a little bit, but literally put it in the software. Now I got videos about dog training tips, and I have no real, I'm not an expert in that at all, right? So you could do that, and whatever niche you're in. So guys, if you're in affiliate marketing, you're just getting started and you want to use YouTube, and you don't really want to, you're not ready to be on camera yet, or you really feel like you don't have a lot of time to learn how to edit and all that stuff, check out Link2Vid. All right, link in the description of this video. Check it out, and I think you'll like it. It's a great way to get started with affiliate marketing and video marketing. All right, guys, so hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. And like everybody say, hit that notification button so you make sure you get all my videos when I drop them. All right, and don't forget, Builderall, Genusity, awesome income opportunities. Check those out as well. And I will see you in the next video.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1. If you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2. If you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.